Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to run DISM in Windows 10 and fix system issues quickly and safely. Step 1. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type CMD in the search bar. This will help you locate the command prompt, which is where you'll run the DISM commands. Step 2. Right-click on command prompt from the search results. This is important because simply opening it normally won't give you the permissions needed to run DISM. Step 3. Select Run as Administrator to open an elevated command prompt. Running as administrator allows DISM to make changes to your system safely and effectively. Step 4. In the command prompt window, type your DISM command, for example, DISM online cleanup image restore health, and then press Enter. This command scans and repairs system files to restore Windows health. Step 5. Wait for the process to complete. This can take some time depending on your system, and once it's done, you can close the command prompt safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.